Hi there, how are you? My name's Chantal Roelofs and I am an essential oil educator. I love essential oils for all parts of my lifestyle, for myself, for my family, particularly my kids, for physical support, but more than anything for emotional support. So the way that essential oils work with our emotions is our olfactory bulb sits right up against the limbic part of our brain, which is the emotional center of our brain. It's integrated with that. And so one of the quickest ways to shift emotions that we might not want to be feeling is with the help of essential oils. So every one of these essential oils that are produced, particularly by dōTERRA, which is the purest quality in the world, the only one that I use, these oils will just work in very different ways for whether they might be citrus and energizing and promoting positive moods, to calming, where many of the florals might be like that, like your lavenders and Roman chamomile and magnolia. So you can just develop so many different emotions by using these essential oils. For instance, red mandarin, while it's uplifting and energizing, it's also going to help reduce my feelings of overwhelm. It is the oil of childlike perspective, so it brings like new, fresh eyes to things, and it doesn't feel like you're weighed down by the world. Some other oils that I absolutely love is bergamot, which is the oil of self-confidence and self-acceptance. So if I just want to boost a really like accepting myself totally and really feeling and owning things in a way that's just like totally me. And that's important for me as an entrepreneurial mum who works from home. I really want to be playing my own game. And so bergamot is a wonderful oil for that. Coupled with that, something like clary sage, which is the oil of clear thinking and clear vision, that oil combined with bergamot is a wonderful, really wonderful combination. And then if you add another oil to that, something like frankincense, which is the oil of truth, it is an incredible oil that's going to mix beautifully with clary sage and bergamot. And that's actually my signature perfume, which I love to wear from day to day. So not only does it smell like a nice perfume, and I don't have to purchase things from the shops anymore that have, just dubious synthetic substances, which are also known as endocrine disruptors. This is pure. It's not only going to make me smell really nice, and I get so many compliments on the way I smell, but it's also going to have these emotionally supportive properties too. So if you would like to start to explore essential oils for your own emotional support, I would love to guide you and help you with that. So if you'd like to just get in contact with me for a free wellness consult around this, I would love to help you and support you. So please be in contact and let's get some essential oils into your life. Thanks for joining me. Bye.